Hello friends, welcome to English with Mahmoud Shamim. Today my topic is about used to. Before we get started, I would like to say one thing. If you are new, you should watch the full video and don't skip the video because this video may help you a lot regarding used to. In general, we use used to in past tense or past simple or past indefinite tense, we can say. Okay, and when you want to use used to, after that verb should be main verb or principal verb, and main verb or principal verb should be present form or base form. Okay, and after that you can bring object or extension or other words. And also I'd like to say one thing. We use used to mean past habit, or we can say past habitual fact. Okay, let's get started. Here you see I write one pattern so that you can understand properly. Okay, here you see subject pattern, he, they, we, I, and you, and you see used to in the middle, and after that you see some verb patterns: come, take, go, write, learn, and walk. And you see some object or extension, other words like exercise, to see, to village, poem, English, every morning. Okay, so to understand properly, okay, so let's see some sentences. He used to take exercise. He used to take exercise. This sentence means past habit. Okay, when you want to mention, or when you want to say past habit, okay, you should always use used to in that kind of sentences. Okay, so he used to take exercise. This sentence is past habit. So I would like to say the present habit is he takes exercise daily. This sentence is present habit. Okay, when we would know past habit or present habit, so we can make any sentences easily, and we can speak to other person with confidently. Okay, so next sentence, he used to come to see. He used to come to see. This sentence is past habit, and the present habit is he comes to see me daily. This sentence is present habit. Okay, and here we see subject pattern, used to, verb pattern, and extended other words, this pattern. Okay, just I will tell you quickly which sentence are past habit, which sentences are present habit. Okay, let's look. He used to come to see me. Okay, this sentence is past habit. He used to take exercise. He used to go to village to see his relatives. He used to write poem. He used to learn English. He used to work every morning. These sentences are past habit. Okay, the present habit, now I would like to tell you. He comes to see me daily. He takes exercise daily. He goes to village to see his relatives every day. He writes poems daily. He learns English every day. He walks every morning. So this sentence are present habit. Okay, in this way you can use these subjects like they, we, I, you. Okay, so I think my friends, you got important informations from this video. What am I trying to mention about used to? When you want, when to use used to, how to use used to, and where to use used to. I think, and also what the meaning of used to. Uh, you learned, okay? You have learned many things from this video. I think, my friend, this video will help you a lot, okay? When you want to speak, to other person regarding past habit and regarding present habit, I think this video will help you a lot, okay? So my friends, that's all for today. And if you have any comment or queries regarding this video, please write me in my comment box. When I see, I will try to reply, okay? So my friends, that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.